back to my YouTube channel, dolls. My name is called Tabish Giselle. If you are joining me for the first time, then thank you so much for stopping by. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning in a brand new video. Today's video, guys, I'll be sharing with you how to apply blusher in the most easiest and simplest way ever. I've actually been wearing and using blusher for a year and a half, and I absolutely love it, and I think it's such a makeup basic that others might be interested in knowing how to use. So I thought I'd do this video. I really hope you guys enjoy it, and please do give the video a thumbs up if you like this sort of content, and let's get straight into it. So guys, to apply my blusher, I'm going to be using my blusher brush, which looks like so. It's just big and fluffy and easy to use. This is the palette that I'm going to be using. It is from Makeup Revolution, and it's the Ultra Blush Sugar and Spice, and I like to use these 3 shades of blusher right here, and I mix those together to create my my favorite and chosen blusher shades. So I mix those together, and pretty much when I apply my blusher, you just want to apply it underneath this area. So from this point here all the way up, like just basically in your cheekbone area. You don't want it to go to above that area, because then it just starts to look too much. So it's just a really nice subtle application, like so. And the thing with blusher I've learned is a little goes a long way. You don't need to apply so much blusher, because it can just start to look very like hideous and just a bit too much. So you just want to follow just above where you would contour is what I would probably say, and then just use that brush to just apply it right to that cheekbone area, like so. And a little goes a long way. So as you guys can see, this is what the application that I've applied looks like. It just looks nice and subtle. It's just meant to look like you do have blush, but not looking like you've got a whole load of like pinky color on your cheeks, because it just doesn't look very nice. It just looks subtle and very nicely snatched. It just snatches the face and uplifts the face. If you compare it to this side here, you can just see that my face already looks like slightly angled in such a pretty way, and all I'm going to do is going to do the same thing on this side here. So I'm just going to go above my contour, and that's what I like to use as a guide for the blusher, and that just helps me with the placement and knowing that I'm not going too much blusher, because one thing I just don't like is having a lot of blusher on. So I just go like that, in that movement. Guys, this is what my blusher application looks like closely. It's just nicely and subtle, and it's just given my face a snatched effect, and a little goes a long way with blusher. I really hope you guys have found it useful. It's just a simple and easy way. If you guys ever get confused, just remember to apply it slightly over where you've contoured, and then just nicely angle it and just use a little bit of blush and lightly dust it in, and it should look just like this, which I think is just the perfect application. So I really hope you guys found this video useful. If you guys want me to do more of these sort of makeup basic tips and tricks, then do let me know in the description box below. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye dolls. Mwah. Bye.